Every year, over 1 million wildebeest embark on an epic journey across the African plains. It's one of the greatest wildlife spectacles on Earth, but it's also a fight for survival. From raging rivers to hungry predators, the odds are stacked against them. So, what does it take to survive nature's greatest threats? Stick around, because today we're diving into the incredible story of the wildebeest migration. Let's start with the basics. The wildebeest migration covers a whopping 1,200 miles across Tanzania and Kenya, following the rains in search of fresh grass. This isn't just a random trek. It's a cycle of life driven by survival instincts. But with every step comes danger, and that's where the real story begins. First up, the rivers. The Grumeti and Mara rivers are infamous for their crocodile-infested waters. Picture this: thousands of wildebeest plunging into the river, hooves pounding, water splashing, and lurking just beneath the surface are massive crocodiles waiting to strike. It's a life-or-death gamble, but crossing is the only way forward. But it's not just the rivers. On land, predators are always on the prowl. Lions, cheetahs, hyenas, all of them see the migration as a moving buffet. In fact, an estimated 250,000 wildebeest don't make it each year. Yet, there's strength in numbers, and the herd's sheer size can confuse and overwhelm even the fiercest hunters. So, how do they do it? How do wildebeest survive such incredible odds? It's all about teamwork. These animals are experts in sticking together, using collective movement to protect the young and vulnerable. Their ability to follow their instincts and adapt to challenges is nothing short of remarkable. Speaking of the young ones, did you know that wildebeest calves can stand and run within minutes of being born? This isn't just adorable, it's essential. Predators won't wait, and being able to keep up with the herd is their only chance of survival. And after months of challenges, the reward finally comes. As the rains bring new life to the grasslands, the herds arrive to feast and regain their strength. It's a moment of triumph, but also a reminder that the cycle will begin again. The wildebeest migration is more than just a journey. It's a testament to resilience, survival, and the incredible power of nature. If you've been inspired by this story, hit that like button, subscribe for more wildlife adventures, and let us know in the comments what animal migration you'd like to explore next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the wild.